Rule number 1, never lose money. Rule number 2, never forget rule number 1. If you buy things far below what they're worth and you buy a group of them, you basically don't lose money. Price is what you pay. Value is what you get. Risk comes from not knowing what you are doing. Never invest in a business you cannot understand. The 3 most important words in investing are margin of safety. It's far better to buy a wonderful company at a fair price than a fair company at a wonderful price. If a business does well, the stock eventually follows. Successful investing takes time, discipline, and patience. No matter how great the talent or effort, some things just take time. You can't produce a baby in 1 month by getting 9 women pregnant. Calling someone who trades actively in the market an investor is like calling someone who repeatedly engages in one-night stands a romantic. The stock market is designed to transfer money from the active to the patient. An investor should act as though he had a lifetime decision card with just 20 punches on it. Time is the friend of the wonderful company, the enemy of the mediocre. The most important quality for an investor is temperament, not intellect. You need a temperament that neither derives great pleasure from being with the crowd or against the crowd. Success in investing doesn't correlate with IQ. What you need is the temperament to control the urges that get other people into trouble in investing. Forecasts may tell you a great deal about the forecaster. They tell you nothing about the future. Diversification is protection against ignorance. It makes little sense if you know what you are doing. Opportunities come in frequently. When it rains gold, put out the bucket, not the thimble. Widespread fear is your friend as an investor because it serves up bargain purchases. The best thing that happens to us is when a great company gets into temporary trouble. We want to buy them when they're on the operating table. Most people get interested in stocks when everyone else is. The time to get interested is when no one else is. You can't buy what is popular and do well. You do things when the opportunities come along. I've had periods in my life when I've had a bundle of ideas come along, and I've had long, dry spells. If I get an idea next week, I'll do something. If not, I won't do a damn thing. If past history was all that is needed to play the game of money, the richest people would be librarians.
Check out our unique collection of original funny gifts for investors created by stock market enthusiasts. Surprise someone you care about and put a smile on their face. Click the link in the description below.
We simply attempt to be fearful when others are greedy and to be greedy only when others are fearful. Money is not everything. Make sure you earn a lot before speaking such nonsense. The best chance to deploy capital is when things are going down. It's better to hang out with people better than you. Pick out associates whose behavior is better than yours, and you'll drift in that direction. Wall Street is the only place that people ride to in a Rolls-Royce to get advice from those who take the subway. The difference between successful people and really successful people is that really successful people say no to almost everything. Investors should remember that excitement and expenses are their enemies. The most important investment you can make is in yourself. I insist on a lot of time being spent almost every day to just sit and think. That is very uncommon in American business. I read and think. So I do more reading and thinking and make less impulse decisions than most people in business.
If you want to learn more about how to invest, check out one of the videos you see on the screen.